someone tell me if you're actually allowed to film in an airport or not? I was going through security, trying to get a cute little video saying goodbye to my dad, like waving and that. And they were like, delete the video now. They were like, delete it. Otherwise they're gonna start searching for your phone. So I was like, okay, whatever. I've gone to security now, tried to put my bag through, but I've got my parallettes with me because they won't fit in my check-in bag. They obviously kicked off the bag, I had to go around. The Cali Sports parallettes have nails in them. My parallettes got 2 big nails in them. They weren't trying to let me through with it. I was thinking I'm gonna lose my parallettes before I've even started, but we're all good. Just through security. Of course I got picked for random inspection. I'm gonna try and find my bro now. Shit! That's what you saying! Yo! What? Yo, cheese! Cheese! I thought I'd do a voiceover for this section. So it was the first couple of days, so we sort of just went around the city, saw a few bits, and then went to get some food and drink. Tell me why all the cordials look like washing up liquid. But we're still eating good, so we had a little meal prep day. And then we went to Bunnings, which is basically a home base, and tried these Bunnings snacks, which is just hot dogs in bread. One day I actually decided to come and do some touristy shit, and it's pissing it down. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go to the aquarium, try and find something to do before I meet my brother. Pissing it down. What's going on? I've actually been robbed. I got told sunshine, yeah, come to Australia, you'll get sun. Why am I saying English weather? I've actually been taking the piss out of. Right, so obviously my dumbass didn't check what time it shuts, and it shuts in like an hour. So I'm gonna come back, go another day, do it properly. Then I'm gonna go to the shopping centre. It's my brother's birthday on Friday, try to get some stuff, and then meet him in about an hour. Go aquarium another day. beach. It's hella windy. Oh my days, it's so windy. But yeah, I'm trying to find a Cali park. It's supposed to be around there somewhere, so we can see if we can find it and get a session. I'll be real, that first Cali park, fake, definitely doesn't exist. So I got like a 20-minute walk down to another one. So hopefully when I get there, there'll actually be one there, but I've just had another failed mission. There she is. She's been spotted. I've gone with some Rogue energy drink. I thought it matched the do-rag, so I thought why not, but it's looking questionable. It's tasting questionable. Yeah, that shit's nasty. First Cali sesh at a park has been hit. It wasn't too bad, to be fair. Not the best scenes. I thought it was going to be on the beach, so I thought it would be better. But yeah, I had a meaty session. It was okay. I filmed all of it upright, but I'm going to smack the clips up anyway. So I'll smack the clips up after this. Probably gonna make this the last little bit of this vlog. Got Elliot's birthday tomorrow. I've been out here a week now, so I'm thinking to try and do them week by week. Whether or not I'll stick to that, I actually don't know. I don't really care, to be honest, but we'll see. But yeah, Elliot's birthday, which is tomorrow, so going out Friday, and then got a couple of things lined up for Saturday and Sunday, so that will probably be in the next one.